Part B says, what is the tangential acceleration of a point on the outer edge of the tire? So the tangential acceleration is called tangential because it is in the direction tangent to the curve of the tire. And I drew that right here. Now I want to find it using a formula, and there's a simple formula for it. You just need A equals R alpha. A is the tangential acceleration. And alpha is the angular acceleration. Okay, so I'll plug in the radius of the wheel. Let's use the outer radius because that's where they want the thing calculated. There'll be 0.3 meters. And let's do the alpha of 77.2 radians per second squared. Multiply them two, and you get a tangential acceleration of 23.2 meters per second squared. And this bike isn't actually on the ground. They said it was on a center stand so the wheel can spin freely,